Welcome aboard to my channel. So today I just thought I should brief you all about what is the difference, what is Polki, Kundan and Jadao, and what is the difference between them and how do you identify what is what. So if you've ever admired traditional Indian jewelry, you've probably heard the terms Polki, Kundan and Jadao, right? And while they may look similar at first glance, each one has its own unique identity, craftsmanship and charm. So let's get started with Polki jewelry. Polki refers to the uncut natural diamonds that are used in their raw original form. And unlike modern diamonds, they are not machine cut or faceted. So this gives Polki a very rustic, antique, and a very regal look. It's the kind of jewelry that feels timeless, something you can pass down through generations. Polki pieces are usually set in gold and often paired with intricate detailing, making them perfect for weddings and heirloom collections. In case your budget does not support buying original Polki, going ahead with gold and moissanite is an equally good option. Now, coming to Kundan jewelry, Kundan is not the stone, it's actually the technique used to set the stones. So, in this method, highly refined pure gold foil is used to set and hold gemstones in place. The finish is extremely smooth, polished, and elegant. And Kundan jewelry often features glass stones or gemstones and is known for its royal Mughal era aesthetic. It's lighter in appearance compared to Polki and has a far more refined symmetrical finish. And then we have our Jadao jewelry, the last one. So Jadao is nothing but the craftsmanship or process behind creating these elaborate pieces. It involves embedding stones like Polki or other gemstones into a framework using the Kundan technique. What makes Jadao special is the handcrafted detailing on the reverse side, often with beautiful meenakari, which is the enamel work. So essentially, Jadao is the art form, the making process that brings everything together. So how do you tell them apart? And so if you see uncut diamonds with raw natural sparkle, you're looking at Polki. If you notice a smooth polished setting with stones held by gold foil, that's Kundan. And if the piece has intricate craftsmanship, often with meenakari work at the back, that's Jadao, the technique behind the beauty. So in simple terms, if we simplify it even further, Polki is the stone, Kundan is the setting, and Jadao is the craftsmanship. Each one adds to its own character, and together they create some of the most exquisite jewelry traditions we have. Whether you prefer the raw elegance of Polki, the refined finish of Kundan, or the intricate artistry of Jadao, each piece tells you a story of heritage, skill, and timeless beauty.